Hello, everyone. I'm glad that you're viewing this presentation today. Today, we will be creating a program that uses an if statement. An if statement is a conditional statement that performs different actions based on whether a logical expression evaluates true or false. Think of an if statement like this. If the weather is nice, you will get to go to the park. The condition is if the weather is nice. If the condition is true, you will get to go to the park. If the condition is false, you will have to stay at home. The format for an if statement. The first line is if, and inside the parentheses is your condition. The next line is the code that is performed if the condition is true. Next is the word else. And the final line is what is performed if the condition is false. The requirements for an if statement condition are the answer is either true or false, and the condition must be written using comparison symbols: greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Now that you have learned about if statements, we're going to create a program that will ask the user to enter their test grade. If their grade is 70 or greater, the computer will display good job. If not, the computer will display I hope you do better next time. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first thing that I'm going to do is type a comment line. And this comment line will tell the user what this program does. So we always start our comment line off with a hashtag. Okay, I typed my comment line. Now I'm going to actually start the coding of the program. The first thing that I want the program to do is ask the user to input their test grade. So I'm going to call the input function. And inside our input function, we're going to type the statement that will be displayed on the screen. Please enter your test grade. Now, the number that the user types will be stored as a string. We want to convert that string to an integer so that we can perform a comparison between the grade and 70. So in order to do that, we're going to have to type the letters INT. INT stands for integer in front of input. And we make sure that that's inside of parentheses. Now that we have converted that string to integer, we're going to store that inside a variable called grade. So at the beginning of the line, we're going to type grade equals whatever the integer is. Now that we have that done, we're going to start our if statement. So we're going to type the word if, and now we're going to write our condition. We're going to type our condition. So our condition is grade is greater than equal to 70. So if grade is greater than equal to 70, put a colon at the end. We're going to print out good job. Now if you notice on line 4, you see an indentation. Now you need to have an indentation because if you don't, your program will get an error. So this is the line that will print out if the if statement is true. If the condition is true, this line will print out. Now, if the condition is false, we need to print out another statement. So that's when we're going to go to our next line, and we're going to type the word else with a colon. And we're going to print out I hope you do better next time. Now, let's run our program. We're going to type, let's try 75 first. So we get good job. 75 is greater than or equal to 70. Now, we're going to run our program again. And this time, we're going to put in 49. And we get the printout, I hope you do better next time. And that's correct. Now it's your turn. I want you to create a program that does the same thing. Have fun.